It's recording now.
Really?
Yeah.
I say hello to the universe.
Well, shit. Damn, I have a potty mouth.
We're gonna search the house
The TV.
and see our environmental. That's how you say it, right?
It's not the whole house. So.
Say what's poppin'.
What it do?
Say what it do, ski mommy. This is how you do the camera view. It's like a porno.
My foot's on your testicles.
Oh shit.
What'd he say?
Okay, you wanna start recording?
You haven't started recording?
We're already started.
This is Judy B. This is my baby.
My mama can see you guys' hair.
Huh?
My mama can see you guys'
Oh my god.
Let me see.
He has a bald spot.
No, it's
Where? Where?
No, it's right here.
Where?
Okay, when you see the video, you'll see it.
Oh my god. Oh, that? Oh, it's all groovy. It's all groovy.
I don't start. Look, I got kicked out of school anyways. I don't start for a while.
Quincy, you cut a ball spot?
That was his fault. He kept moving.
Ah!
I wasn't gonna tell him.
Hey, look, here. Here, watch out. Here, watch the porno.
I'm sorry, I have to. It's gonna hurt you.
No! My mom can see you guys'
I don't
hair.
want to see your. I don't want to see your.
Come here, let me do it.
Wow, look at, see, look, first you ambushed me into Anthony's room, and I'm hey, what if my neck really like snapped? What's wrong with
Look,
it fell off.
look, I'll be like this.
Why?
I don't like it. I
Makes
want
it
my hair to be back to where it was.
Why?
Little
mama.
We got an argument going on.
Boom, boom.
I don't want you about.
Damn.
I don't want
I understand why you gotta be difficult. All she has to do is look at your hair. She's gonna see it eventually. No, what if they start hitting each other? Woo! Record it.
Move, nigga. I ain't. Ah, damn.
Let's just all hit Eddie. No!
Rape me.
Why y'all always trying?
Oh!
It's gonna be a long ass video.
Alright, but hey.
Let's play my song now.
You got it on your phone?
What did Chris say?
How'd you put it on there?
Hey, why did
I can't figure out.
Tell her how to do it.
You don't know how to put music on your phone?
No, how to get their song.
Oh.
What did Chris say?
Well, because Chris told me how, and then it didn't work.
Why is it playing
Oh
that
yeah,
song?
Tipsy Groovy.
I don't want to play this song.
What song is that?
It's Uni B Show. Who's Christian and why is he texting me?
Boom!
Hey, but we're out though, right?
We're out?
We're out.
Oh, did my twin add
In
you?
5, 4, 3,
Did that
2.
girl add you that
Who?
said she liked your music? Why you?
I added her.
Oh,
But yeah, we out though.
nothing on there.
I thought it was marketable.